Hey, what's going on, you guys? Adam Diaz here at Russ Darrow, Nissan in Milwaukee. Before you guys hear Dom and Max's stories about what they did this summer, we got a few guys over here to tell you about what's their favorite thing they did this summer so far. Hey, yo, B, what's the favorite thing you did this summer?
So my favorite thing I've done this summer is go to Canada, specifically Ontario, and rent out a little Ferrari, go for a little joyride out there.
Nice. Favorite thing you did, Ronnie?
My favorite thing I've done this summer has been going to Florida. Got to visit Universal Studios Florida.
Man, oh, looks like Big Mike got some customers. Hey, Big Mike, what's the most favorite thing you did this summer?
I went to the beach with family, enjoyed the weather. I had a good time at restaurants, going to outdoor bars, outsider.
Great.
Nice.
Hey, how about you, happy customer?
I bought me a Nissan Altima SR, and I got my brother one too, Nissan Sentra SR. So
Nice.
that's my favorite thing.
Man.
Awesome. Let's get it. Hey guys, how's it going?
Hey, how's it going?
What's going on?
Hey, I'm Dominic.
Nice to meet you.
Hey, I'm Max.
Max, pleasure. Hey, question for you guys, man.
What's up? Yeah.
What is your current or past favorite summer story you can give me?
Well, mine is I'm kind of boring, just a fitness guy, so mine would be biking. I got a new bike for my birthday, so I've been just trail riding. Yep.
Nice,
What about
nice.
you, Max?
Yeah, my lease is up on my previous car, and I was shopping around for a new one. Stopped by at Russ Darrow, got a good deal, great deal. That's the best part of summer so far. Gonna have a new car.
Awesome. Well, you guys have a blessed day, all right?
Awesome.
Thank you guys. Take care, guys.
Nissan Nation, baby.